If you're chasing cafe-quality espresso at home, the grind is where it starts. Today we're ranking 5 high-rated espresso grinders that deliver precision, consistency, and user-friendly design for daily use. If something catches your eye, you'll find the model names and links in the description. In 5th place, we have the Breville BCG 820BSS Smart Grinder Pro. This electric burr grinder balances versatility with espresso-focused performance thanks to 60 precise grind settings that span from fine espresso to coarse French press. Stainless steel conical burrs keep particle size consistent, while an adjustable digital timer doses by time in 0.2-second increments for repeatable shots. The experience is straightforward. An LCD and simple dial interface makes selecting grind size and dose feel intuitive, and you can grind hands-free straight into a portafilter using the included cradle. Day-to-day, it's notably gentle on the household with a muted hum around 70 to 80 decibels. Build quality inspires confidence. The housing feels sturdy, the hopper and burr assembly fit securely, and the top burr pops out for easy cleaning. Features like auto stop and an included cleaning brush round it out. You'll be relying on time-based dosing rather than weight, but for an approachable home workflow that still pulls uniform, flavorful espresso, it's an easy win. Coming in at number 4 is the Rancilio Rocky Espresso Grinder Doserless. A longtime favorite among home baristas, the Rocky brings commercial DNA into a home-friendly footprint. Its hefty 50mm flat steel burrs and a powerful direct-drive 166-watt motor, borrowed from Rancilio's cafe grinders, deliver fast, cool, and quiet grinding that doesn't bog down under load. The doserless design grinds directly into your portafilter so you can prepare only what you need, and the wide range of grind settings can cover everything from fine espresso to coarser brews. Its real sweet spot, though, is pairing with machines like the Rancilio Silvia to pull creamy, Krenner-rich shots. The tank-like construction stands out immediately. A tough stainless steel housing and heavy cast aluminum frame promise years of reliable use. On the trade-off side, adjustments are stepped rather than stepless, and you won't find modern extras like a digital timer. If you value longevity, consistency, and classic no-nonsense operation, the Rocky remains an all-around champ for espresso. At number 3, you'll find the Onesie J-Max manual coffee grinder. If you're willing to put in a minute of hand grinding for a double shot, this compact powerhouse returns cafe-level results. A robust 48mm conical burr set, titanium-coated stainless steel, delivers sharpness, longevity, and very uniform espresso particles. The standout is its ultra-fine adjustment system. An internal dial with 8.8 micron steps and over 400 clicks across the range lets you chase tiny changes in resistance to dial in shots with precision. Ergonomics are smart for daily use and travel. There's a foldable crank handle that grinds smoothly, and dual bearings keep the axis stable, so there's virtually no wobble. The all-metal body feels solid in hand, while fluffy, clump-free fine grounds rival what you'd expect from electric burr grinders. Maintenance is simple with tool-free disassembly, and the design resists stray grounds getting stuck. Nearly silent operation is a bonus for early mornings. The catch is the elbow grease. Expect about a minute of cranking per double shot. For small kitchens, travelers, or anyone who loves the ritual, the J-Max turns effort into excellent espresso. Taking the second spot is the Eureka Mignon Specialita espresso grinder. Built for quiet, precise espresso grinding, it uses large 55mm flat hardened steel burrs in a stepless micrometric system so you can make micro adjustments and lock in your ideal texture. The heavy, sound-insulated metal case and rubber damping mounts tame noise. Its design cuts roughly 20 decibels of sound, turning bean crushing into a near whisper for peaceful mornings. The workflow feels modern and refined. A responsive touchscreen lets you program single or double shot timing for consistent dosing. It grinds directly into the portafilter with a hands-free fork, and an anti-static or clump system produces fluffy, evenly dispersed grounds. Build quality is top tier with Italian fit and finish. And maintenance is thoughtful. Because adjustment is on the bottom burr, you can remove the top burr for cleaning without losing your calibration. While it truly shines at fine espresso grinding and is less suited for coarser methods, that focus is exactly what many home espresso drinkers want: quiet power, precise control, and repeatable results. And finally, at number 1, the Comandante C40 MK4 Nitro Blade Coffee Grinder. Often regarded as the gold standard for hand-grinding espresso, it's built in Germany with high-alloy nitro-blade stainless steel burrs that are extraordinarily hard, sharp, and consistent. The result is exceptionally uniform particle distribution with minimal retention and virtually no clumping, exactly what espresso extraction demands. With about 40 clicks of adjustment and options to expand, it can reach everything from ultra-fine Turkish to coarser French press, but espresso is where it truly shines. The fine increments make dialing in precise and rewarding. The build feels over-engineered in the best way. A steel body, thick axle, and high-precision burr assembly, plus high-quality glass and polymer catch jars that elevate everyday use. The grinding action is smooth and the wooden pommel comfortable, though light roasts will still give you a workout. Practical perks include low static and very low retention, so more of your coffee ends up in the basket rather than the grinder. It isn't as fast as electrics and the price is steep, but enthusiasts routinely call it worth every penny for its longevity and cafe-quality results. To recap, the Smart Grinder Pro is the intuitive time-dosing all-rounder. The Rocky is the durable classic with cafe DNA. The J-Max brings ultra-fine manual precision. The Specialita delivers quiet, stepless control. And the Comandante crowns the list with reference-level hand grinding. If you found this helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next roundup. You can find all the models through the links in the description.